Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky, and for all you parents out there, are you sick of hearing the words "I'm bored"? I'm going to help you guys to solve this problem and make sure that your kids are never ever bored. So what I'm going to introduce to you now is the board jar. So in my case it's a big cupcake, but for anybody else it could be just a normal jar. It could be a pot, it could be whatever you'd like it to be. Now in this pot I have lots and lots of coloured pieces of paper because of course you want it to be fun. And then these are all things that can be done. So as soon as your child thinks that they're bored, they go to the jar and they pull out one of these slips and they read it off, and that is then an idea of what they can do for the day. So I will read a few of them off for you. So this one here is read a book. We also have to watch a film. What about a treasure hunt? So you could even suggest a word on the piece of paper, and then they have to go and find something of each of those letters. So it could be something really, really easy. So when you're setting up one of these pots, get your children to help you, because at the end of the day it is all for them, to stop them being bored. And when you put your items in your pot, you can always try and put your fingers crossed and hope they pull out the clean your room. So you can try, they might do it. But otherwise you can have lots and lots of indoor activities. You can do things out in the garden. This one is a cool one. This one, s'mores. So you can have like a little fire in the garden, whether it's in the barbecue or in a fire pit, and get your s'mores kit out. So your biscuits, your marshmallows, a bit of chocolate as well, and make s'mores, and oh, that'd be lovely. A nice evening activity that the whole family will enjoy. What else have we got in here? Make a cake. We have a fun one. You could do a dance off. So that could be between siblings, or it could be the whole family. A puzzle. So it doesn't always have to be things that you do with everybody. It can be something they can go off and quietly do on their own. What about recycle craft? So they can go through the recycling and pull out the old pieces of cardboard and toilet rolls and see what they can make from it. It can always go back in the recycling afterwards. A nice walk. We can still do walks on lockdown in your local area. And I always have a board game. So nice family friendly activities. So I hope this little idea of a board jar will help you guys at home with the children and trying to find things for them to do. Make it with the children and make it a family activity. Make sure it's lovely and colourful so that these guys will want to go over to the jar and pull out an activity to do whenever they do feel bored, and it saves them coming to you. So I hope this helps you guys, and if you're looking for any other activities, then check out the channel and subscribe below. And there's plenty of crafts and things you guys can do outside and around your local area on there. So keep your eyes peeled, and I will see you again soon. Bye!